what's up? So this is Maybe or Jovi, and today, ang gagawin ko naman ay mag-interview ako ng classmates ko. So, tara na. So, may nakita na pala akong isa at nandito sa clinic humihiga. So, interviewin natin to. Hi, Shang! Musta ka, Shang?
Okay ra.
So, Shang, naday ko ikuan. Isulti. Naday ko interview.
Kan.
Kuan. What is your purpose in going school?
Kanang purpose na ako kay kanang makita siya.
Napa. What is your hobbies?
My hobbies is playing volleyball.
Yeah. What is your motivation in life?
My motivation is life is
Sige. Sige, unsa? Sige, next question. So guys, hindi niya yun sasagot. So, to. Nila, what is your favorite color?
gray, white, and blue and sky blue.
Are you taken or single?
Single.
Bot apa na dito? What is... Ay, sige. Sige. And last question guys. Tatanungin natin siya kung anong pangalan niya. So, what is your name? Your real name and your age.
My name is Krisha Esbasay. I'm 14 years old.
So, yan guys. And may ikalawa na akong interview at nakita ko na dito sa kabilang side ko. And then, nag-ano lang siya, nagpo-phone, naglalaro, nagtungtingin ng video. So, ito nga pala si Giselle. Kilala niyo na to. Isa ko sa member ng Kaizel Villa Girls. So, Lang! How are you? 100 daw eh. How are you? 100. 14 years old. How are you? What is your purpose in going to school? And mag-umpisa na pala ako, guys.
Pamuspi lang.
Tagalog! English!
Ayaw. Para may matutunan dito sa sila.
What is your hobbies in your life?
My hobbies is washing TV.
Karoon yung nakadung. Washing TV. Washing. Ano washing TV? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your motivation in life? Motivation pag ganyak.
Wala.
Ano yung pag ano? Wala ba? Ano ba to? Sige, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
Pink, violet,
Dami.
violet, red, blue, green. Mura na.
5. Okay, guys. Magnanayos rainbow color. Are you taken or single?
Single.
Explain.
Wala.
X.
Wala.
Gana ang balikan?
Wala.
Wala din siya X, sorry. Sige. At ito. What is your real name and real age? Hotdog!
Siya la tara. 14 years old.
Ay. Oh, kilala niyo na siya. Isa siya sa member. So, yan guys. Move na tayo sa ikatlong question. So, what is your purpose in going school? What is your purpose in going school? Ay! Professional singer. What is your hobby?
Playing basketball, playing online games,
And what is your motivation?
to be in life after my grandma.
What is your favorite color?
Blue and white.
Are you taken or single?
Single.
What is your real name and age? Real name and your real age. What is your name? Oh, sige.
My name is Andre Patingabo.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's start. So, what is your purpose in school?
Para makaton dahil maka umanog eskwela ro makakitag kan trabaho na tsada.
What is your hobbies?
Mangukay.
Okay daw siya. So, what is your motivation in life?
Just wear whatever you want.
Oh, just wear whatever you want. And what's your name?
Berto Ibarita.
Hindi na ko ito. Lain na ako question. Sige. What food? Sige ka na. Unsa imong sige kaon ka dadlaw? Nga imong, ay sige ka ni. Unsa imong favorite nga foods? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Itlog. Abodo. Abodo o crispy ping.
So, sige na lang ako na. Thank you for your wonderful answer, sir. Guys, marag na nahililo ko atong dapita. Ganina, like, kaduwa na to. So, let's find more people. So, it's Jamie. What is your purpose in going school?
Ambak ug anak.
What is your hobbies?
Basketball anime.
Anyo?
May.
Ah! Sige.
Sabot ka.
What is your motivation in life?
Section. Man.
Siya.
Tubok na ka. Siya.
What is your favorite color?
Red. Black. Siya. Blue. Kasi black.
Are you taken or single? What is your real name?
My name is Alex Parna.
How old are you? 14. Hindi yung putong 14 mo. Sige, thank you for wonderful answer, sir. Interview, so it's James. So, what is your purpose in going to school? Just wanna live. What is your hobby? What is your motivation in life? Siya daw. What is your favorite color? Sky blue. Tura. Langit. And are you taking a What is your real name?
Basketball anime.
What is your... how old are you? 13. What's the love life? Okay. Thank you for your wonderful answer.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.